Okay, Leslie here. So here's the big question for you as a beginner paralegal. What solutions are you ready to provide to the hiring attorney on day one? In your cover letter, on the job day one. This is the focus. This is not, they're going to be impressed by something else. They're impressed by solutions that you will provide. In one of my interviews, an attorney said, here's an issue that occurred, several issues. How will you solve it? Now, I was already a seasoned veteran paralegal by that time, and that's why I was being hired. But you can do the same thing as a beginner, but you have to have an edge over the other applicants in order to do that, because the other applicants are banking on that the attorney wants something else, that they're going to get training. It's so rare that you get any training. So you have to train yourself, whether you go through a 2 or 4 year program, or you get a certificate, or you don't do either or any of those things, but you go into the field. The focus has to be the same. What solutions are you coming to the table with for this attorney? What do you know how to do? How can you help that attorney right away? And that has to be your communication all the way down the line. So you need help with that? You can go to my website, look around, get the playbook. That's no charge. First of all, learn how to research paralegal duties in specific areas of law. I give you search terms in the playbook on one of the pages. Yeah, it's only a 6 or 7 page playbook. So get that, no charge, download it today. Yes, you have to sign up. Get it. No problem whatsoever. Download it now. Go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Look under the Paralegal Resource Hub tab. Now that's just one of the things, but you have to learn how to perform some of those duties. Why? Why? Because those are the solutions that the attorney is looking for. Your degree, your certificate is not saying this is what I know how to do. Okay? You have to show and tell. Always. Always. And so in order to get that interview, you have to do that. In order to nail the job down, you have to do that. And it isn't all that hard. And it's still this process of learning more than you thought you needed to, in order to convince the attorney that you're better than the other 300 or 500 to 500 candidates that are applying for the same job. Do you think that's a long shot? It's not. It's not. Because once I discovered this, I was getting the callbacks, but I sat for 3 weeks in my makeshift home office wondering why I was hearing crickets. So important, get the playbook. Join us in the Paralegal Inner Circle class. You'll see that on the website. Join us in the Cover Letter Secrets class. It's under courses. Look at the Legal Break-In Book tab. That's your first step when you're looking at this career for the first time. And finally, go to the hub, the Paralegal Resources Hub. Besides getting the playbook, investigate the hub. Put the work in, and your horizons will be expanded. Okay, and you will start hearing back when you haven't been before. And a lot of you have this fear that they're only hiring experienced people. No, they're hiring people who are providing solutions. Remember this. Don't forget it. Have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. You can always email me at paralegalcoffeetalk@yahoo.com. No, I don't recommend specific schools or courses, so don't waste your time emailing me that question, because I really don't get into that. But what I do recommend is you watch all my videos on the YouTube channel, Paralegal Career Mastermind, and right here if you're watching on YouTube, or go to the Paralegal Coffee Talk page on Facebook. Connect with me on Instagram at Paralegal Coffee Talk, and I'm on LinkedIn as well. And there's a page there that I'm actually an actual little website page that I'm building. So You will see reels on Instagram. You will see lots of videos. Take notes while you're watching them, okay? And go for it. Take to heart what I'm telling you today, and you'll go far. Have a great day.